Hello everyone, this is your boy Kelvin, and today welcome back to my channel. So today we are here to do our 5 days challenge. All right, so today is day 3. How are we going to do it? We are going to do 30 push-up, 3-minute plank. All right, so this challenge is reversing. The first challenge we did plank first and then push-up. This time we are doing push-up first and then plank. Okay, so stay tuned, watch me, and let's do it. It's easy. Strengthen your core and your shoulders, your chest, your back. Okay, so join me. Let's do this challenge. Today is day 3. Okay, so let's do it. All right, 30 push-up. After doing the 30 push-up, then I will press my time. Okay, so 30 push-up, quick one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Okay, let's do it. It's a little bit hard, but you have to do it. Challenge your endurance. Very good. One. 1 minute. Yeah, that's the point. All the time, your shoulders, your core, you have to fight it. Fight it, fight it. It's hard, but do it. Good. All right, 2 minutes. Let's do it. Yeah, we are almost there. 10 seconds. All right, 3 minutes. Very good. So that is how we are doing it. So next target is day 4. It's going to be 40 push-up, 4-minute plank. All right. So this is your boy Kelvin. I'm out.